Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Priyal Desai, a primary care physician, culinary medicine specialist, and I am here today to share this very exciting, super nutritious pasta recipe with you all. We're making high protein and healthy pasta which are great for kids' lunch boxes. They're also wonderful for your own lunch prep. This pasta is delicious, packed with protein, and so easy to make. But before we get started, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It really encourages me to continue to create more videos for you all. As a culinary medicine specialist, I firmly believe that small changes in your meal can make a big difference in your health. So today I will not only show you the recipe of this dish, but also give you some healthy swaps and tips which you can incorporate to improve your meal. After all, better nutrition equals better health. Before diving into this recipe, I want to quickly talk about the type of the pasta that you can use for your recipe. A lot of us end up using the white pasta for our pasta recipes, but in the market nowadays there are varieties of healthy pasta choices available. There are brown rice, quinoa pasta, lentil pasta, chickpea pasta, whole wheat pasta. So these are so much more nutritious than just your plain old white pasta. So here in this recipe I have used the brown rice and quinoa pasta. They're soft, they melt in your mouth, and I love the texture that they provide. This pasta has more protein and fiber compared to the regular white pasta. Now let's talk about the store-bought marinara sauce. The marinara sauce is very convenient to use in pasta recipes, pizza recipes, but just keep in mind to look at the ingredients. Some of them can be packed with different preservatives, sugar, flavorings. So you want to look at the ingredients. Here in this recipe, I'm using this marinara sauce. It has clean ingredients and there is no added sugar, which I love. I like to add a few extra ingredients to this store-bought marinara sauce to improve its nutritional content, making it even better for you. To boost the protein content of this recipe, I'm using green lentils. Green lentils are fantastic plant-based protein source. They're also packed with fiber. Plus the brown rice, quinoa, and a little bit of cheese that we use in this recipe help boost the protein content as well. Sauce can be used to make pasta. You can also top your pizza with this sauce, and that can really add a tasty and healthy twist to your pizza. This sauce is really convenient to have on hand all the time. This sauce can be made ahead, like 2 to 3 days ahead of time, and you can also make it and freeze it to use it later. I cook the green lentils in instant pot. Now half of the cooked lentils I blend it with the marinara sauce because a lot of kids and some of the adults don't like to see those lentils in the pasta, so we blend it in the sauce. I keep half of the lentils on the side if your kids don't mind having that seen in the pasta dish. You can add that even for the adults. If they want to top off their pasta, they can top them off with those additional green lentils. So let's get into it.
Dice one small eggplant into cubes and spray with some avocado oil. Add some salt and pepper. Mix everything well and then roast it at 450 Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. Then flip and roast again for another 10-12 minutes. Remove inside membrane and white seeds of one red pepper and then roast it at 450 for 20 to 25 minutes. Wash and soak 1 cup of green lentils. Add water to baby carrots and microwave for 3 minutes until cooked. After 10 minutes in the oven, it's time to flip the eggplant and put it back in for another 10-12 minutes until brown. Once the red pepper is roasted, let it cool and then peel off the skin. Now we are adding green lentils to the instant pot. Add some water, salt, and cook at high pressure for 9 minutes. Add water to broccoli florets. Steam in microwave for 2 minutes. Our green lentils are ready. So these are all the sauce ingredients that we are going to blend together. Add additional water to achieve the desired consistency. Now add garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, chili flakes, and nutritional yeast. Blend everything together. Check the consistency and add additional water as needed. Add some salt and blend again. Add additional seasonings as per your taste. Now our delicious and nutritious sauce is ready. Here I am taking some brown rice and quinoa pasta. Today I am making a small portion for the kids' lunchbox. Cook pasta in boiling water. Take some olive oil in hot pan. Then add our mushrooms. Saute them. Then add some minced garlic and salt. Cook until nice and brown. Now we have drained our cooked pasta. Once mushrooms are cooked, then add our pasta sauce. Mix and cook for a little bit, then add the boiled pasta and mix everything together. Now our healthy and tasty pasta is ready. Add some additional seasonings to your taste. Now let's pack the lunchbox. Add the pasta to the lunchbox and then top it off with some delicious cheese. Serve some broccoli on the side. I'm adding some pumpkin and sunflower seeds, which are great alternative to the nuts. Now adding some berries for sweetness, brightness, and antioxidants. Our lunchbox is ready. Now packing the lunchbox with a banana and some yogurt.
This recipe is packed with protein, fiber, mineral, vitamins. That means you'll feel great after eating it. With the added bonus of being a great lunchbox recipe, this is something you can serve to the whole family and feel great about it. So let me know how you like this recipe. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Your support really helps me create more healthy and tasty recipe videos for you all. Till next time, remember, healthy food can be fun, easy, and delicious. So stay fit, stay fab, and I'll see you next time on Fit Fab with Food.